Hey guys, TJ with Windshield Fitters. We're going to be repairing this nasty crack on this Acura MDX. This is how you do this type of crack. You want to use steel wool to remove any contamination or chemicals like hydrophobic chemicals. Make sure that pit resin sticks to the surface. So we're going to be needing your pit filler resin, which is the thick one, and some of your square plastic tabs. Fill the outside of the crack with pit resin to seal any holes on the surface. Then you want to place your plastic all around that area. Then you want to grab your ultraviolet light to cure that pit resin. All right, so take off your ultraviolet light and you want to take this off. Very nice day today here in Houston. So we're gonna scrape off any remaining resin here on the surface. Make sure you use a new razor blade. So now we're gonna have to drill these areas here where all the cracks intersect. One here, maybe one at the end, here. Of course, we're gonna have to check the temperature, put a UV shield, and maybe a little umbrella here to shade this area because it's pretty hot today. All right, get my little umbrella going here for shade. Now we're gonna check the temperature. A little too hot. We're gonna let it cool down a little bit. To speed up the cooling process, you can use the Delta Kit's heat exchanger. I like to put it away from the damage first. Get the little heat exchanger close to the same temperature as the glass. Right now it's kind of cool from being in the car in the AC, so it's actually going to be very cold. This is going to be very hot. What will happen if you put it on there is going to crack. All right, so that's a good temperature to start the repair. Okay, now we're going to do our second hole right over here. We're gonna be using my Delta Kit's bridge on this one, and yes, I do need my UV shield. I'm not sure what I did with my UV shield, but for now we're gonna use this microfiber towel to keep it covered as much as I can. Six drops of your preferred resin. fill the cracks as much as you can. Second hole, about to inject resin. There it goes. As you can see, some of these lines are not filling in, so I'm gonna have to drill a hole at the end. And same thing here. So a hole at the end there. So we drill a hole there, another one there, and another one here at the end of those cracks. So we're gonna fill those in. All right, so now you want to seal your holes with pit resin. And cure it with your ultraviolet light. All right, now we just need to polish the glass here and your repair is complete. Ooh, a little bit too much. So yes, let your customer know they're still gonna see a little of this damage because there's a little glass missing on the surface, but this will prevent further expansion of the crack. There's a lot of glass missing, but every crack's filled in with resin inside. You can try to polish it as much as you can, but you're always gonna see a little of that missing glass area. But again, this car had a lane departure warning system and a rain sensor, so this windshield's about $1,500 to replace, so he wanted to try the repair first. But yeah, this is how you do this big crack repair on this type of damage here.